What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. No bullshit car discussion channel on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, guys, and you like this kind of stuff, do check out my other videos and be pretty dope if you want to smash the subscribe button, help us get a bit closer to getting your project car. And as we are a car discussion channel, guys, do comment below. I bring up your comments every Sunday on Comment Sunday to give you a voice, and yeah, I just think it's a fun thing to do. And as well, today's video actually, we're going to be covering DDE, Effspots, TJ Hunt, and a few others as well. Just before we jump into, guys, also, if you ever want to tag me in any videos, or if you ever want to chat me on Instagram, or send me any videos you want me to check out on Instagram, just DM me on Instagram, tag me on YouTube. I'll check out the video, see if I cover it. If you want to come on the channel for a podcast, let me know. Or if you're a small car YouTuber, if you want me to check out your channel as well, do let me know. I love giving small car channels some exposure, because I'm a small car channel myself. So yeah, it's all about car discussion, guys, and just having a bit of fun as well. So we're just going to jump into it today and kick it off. We have to kick it off with Effspots. Effspots did this video of his new exhaust. It's fully installed and it was basically, how can I say, fucking insane. The thing is nuts. I mean, it's so loud. You just wonder how long he's going to get away with, how many times he's going to get pulled, how fast. You know, it's just, I've heard some really ridiculously good sounding exhaust on Lamborghinis, but Effspots definitely now has to be up there. The 5 litre in the Gallardo is ridiculous. So here is a quick clip for you guys. Absolutely nuts. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of the new exhaust system on Effspots Gallardo. I love it. I mean, louder the better. It just sounds freaking ridiculous. Like, it's so good. It sounds like a proper. It sounds actually like a V12 instead of a V10. It's insane. I just can't get over how well it sounds. Just even doing that tunnel run was ridiculous. There were shots of him even when he was downshifting with flames popping. If you've watched the video, comment below, guys, and let me know. He always does some pretty good content, but I'm delighted for him that he's ended up with a really unbelievably one of the best sounding exhaust systems the Gallardo probably around, or as a car YouTuber. So it'll be interesting to see what else he does to the car if he just leaves it at the exhaust system. But comment below, guys, let me know what you think of Effspots' new exhaust system as well. Next up is going to be DDE. So DDE's latest video was basically, it was more of a promotion, I think, more than anything, for Omaze for the Taycan Turbo S to win it. But they did reveal that Damon said he's bought a new car for the channel for himself. It was clickbait, guys. It's one or two people, I think a few said it below in the comments. He said, oh yeah, I bought a new car. And I was like, through the whole video, where's the car, you know? And he doesn't even tell us. He just said he bought a new one. I think a few of my regular subscribers know I hate DD and their clickbaiting, and we know they're the king of it, but it just pisses me off because I just really hate when they do that kind of stuff. So we have to wait for the next video to find out what car it is. So comment below, guys, what car do you think Damon's after buying for DD? I think he said something that it was a really expensive car. Do you think it could have been the no, I was thinking a 918 Spider, but I don't think so. It could be the is it the Carrera GT? I wouldn't be surprised if it was the Carrera GT. He's been banging on about that car for ages, and I wouldn't be surprised if he actually bought one. Them straight pipes are madness, and he fell in love with it when he drove one as well. So I don't know, guys, comment below, let me know what car do you think Damon from DDE is after buying. Your guess is as good as mine, but my money is on a Carrera GT. I could be totally wrong, but that is just my guess. Next up is going to be TJ Hunt. Now TJ Hunt, I'm a bit slow on picking this one up. He was doing his Mustang Fast Act video and came out obviously advising he's doing an engine swap, and he gave his reasons for doing it because You know, he just feels like everybody else has had a 5-liter Coyote engine in it, or I don't know muscle cars at all. But he wanted to do like basically the same as Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. From Hang, I think. Oh, jeez, I'm terrible at names. But anyway, he put in saying he's putting in the RB26 engine into the Mustang, and it's got nearly 1,000 dislikes. Now, I've never seen that many dislikes on TJ Hunt's videos, and he's read some comments. People were not happy with it, and he's addressed it. And I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, it's his car, you know, and the majority, like, of people, you would say 9/10 of people are always going to support him as supporters, like me and other people. And like giving nearly 1,000 dislikes just because you're putting in a Japanese engine into a muscle car, I think it's cool. I love the project. I cannot wait to see what he does with it and how it turns out. You know, him doing this and Dustin Williams doing the 350Z as well is pretty dope. I mean, I don't know, guys, comment below what you think of him putting in the RB26 into the Mustang. I think it's great. I love it. It's just, I wouldn't be surprised if other car YouTubers start bringing back some of the Fast and Furious cars. Do you know what? I wouldn't be surprised if show cars even started coming back from, you know, Fast and Furious from the early 2000s. You always get these kind of, you know, resurgences of these kind of things, and I wouldn't be surprised if other people start doing it. I might even do one. Well, I don't know, doubt it. But yeah, let me know, guys. I'm happy with it. I have no problems with it. I'm surprised that many people actually were upset about it, and just look, if you don't like it, don't say anything, just move on. And yeah, that's just what I think. And saying about Dustin Williams, he's next up on our list. So his latest video basically is he's doing a giveaway car, a Nissan 350Z. I love 350Zs, but because they're 3.5 litre, the insurance here for me to get one would be astronomical. Like, it would just be a joke, and the gas here is crazy expensive. I just couldn't afford to run one. But he's putting on a Greedy or G-Reedy body kit on it. It was the very, very last one, and I think he's painting it or wrapping it, I'm not too sure, in the one on the 350Z that was in Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift as well, the grey one, which I think it'll look absolutely sick with those wheels on it as well. It's a slight wide arch, and I can barely just, it's a very, very minimal wide arch kit, but it looks gorgeous. I really like it. And it's a giveaway car as well, so whoever wins that car is going to be pretty lucky. I'm following this build. I love people that go out and put new kits on cars and do different styles. I just can't wait to see how this turns out. I'd say it's going to look pretty sick when it's finished. But let me know, guys, in the comments below what you think of him putting this kit on this car and going down that route with the design. I think it's going to turn out dope when it's done. It'd be cool to see him and TJ meet up when the two cars are finished. I would really love that as well. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys. Last up but not least, if you've made it near to the end, guys, this had to be covered. Royalty Exotics new video, the craziness of craziness. Basically, a girl had rented the car for 3 days or 4 days from Royalty in Vegas, drove it to Los Angeles, and yeah, they couldn't get the car back. Found out it was the Dodger Stadium. So basically, long story short, you have to watch the video. All the links in the description below. It's nuts. Basically, this cop bought this Hellcat for $32,000. They find the car, explain to him that they're actually the owners. The guy had a fake title, changed the plates in it. The plates were Toyota Corolla plates. All this crazy shit that went on. The cops showed up. They rang the cops showed up, and yeah, the cops basically took Houston's Hellcat and will not give it back to him, and he has the proof of owning it, like he's like from the VIN and all that kind of stuff. It's absolutely insane. They basically took the car, but he never reported it stolen. That's the thing. So the cops basically are saying, well, it's evidence towards the guy getting ripped off for $32,000, but that's not his fault. They should be investigating with the guy. He just wants the car back. This car has been stolen like 5 or 6 times. It's insane. I don't know, guys. It's absolutely nuts. Check out the video. Let me know if you've watched it and what you think might happen in the next video. Will they get it back, and what kind of shit he will go through, because they seem to have a lot of bad luck with that Hellcat. But it's crazy, the story. He's never seen that happen, and I mean, I was even kind of going, holy shit, that's nuts. So yeah, guys, check it out. Comment below, let me know. So that's it for today, guys. That's all I'm covering. As I said, I'll have a video hopefully every day this week unless something comes up. But if you watch to the end and you're new here, do smash the subscribe button, like squad, and all my regular commenters. Please comment below. If you have subscribed, thanks a million. So until then, until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.